Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmo here. RC bashing season is about to start with these three awesome 1/18th scale off-road RC vehicles sitting right before me. These are the newest high boxing 1/18th scale off-road series RC vehicles geared towards your liking. You like the RC truck? You can go for the Blaster XL. You like truggies? You can go for the Hailstorm XL. And if you are a buggy boy, you can go for the Gallop XL. So batteries are fully charged. What are we waiting for? But before we get them dirty, let us pick up the Gallop buggy. And let me give you a quick overview of its features right away. And then we will get it dirty as soon as we hit the desert. Alright, this is the Gallop XL 1/18 scale electric RC 4-wheel drive off-road buggy from High Boxing. First of all, you will appreciate the PVC shell, which is stylish and has very attractive color scheme. I personally like this green and white with black color scheme. The stickers are provided separately, so you can easily put the stickers as per your liking and customize the look of your buggy. The buggy is using standard size rubber wheels with mixed tread to provide you good traction on all terrains. The buggy is using front and rear independent suspension system, and the bottom plate does look like tough enough to take all the bumps from your jumps. You will drive this buggy with a 2.4 GHz proportional radio control system that I'm sure is going to offer a good enough range. Under the hood, the buggy is powered by an RC380 brushed motor, which is old, but I believe it's powerful enough to give you enough power. And do remember, these brush motors are very efficient, so they will provide you longer drive times. Also notice an anodized aluminum heat shrink already installed on top of the motor to keep it cool and in working temperatures. All-in-one ESC and receiver is already installed into the buggy, and these motors and this ESC and motor both are splash proof, so you can drive this buggy in raining as well without worries. Buggy is using a high-speed steering servo that provides very quick steering response and of course more precise to control your buggy at high speeds. Buggy is using a shaft drive 4-wheel drive system, and also it has a front and rear geared differential boxes. This buggy is powered by a 7.4 volt 650 milliamp Li-ion battery pack. The buggy is using standard spring-loaded shock absorber system. So there are 4 shocks, 2 at the rear, 2 at the front, and these are not adjustable. But if you can find some of those Jesus clips type of things which are big enough to fit in these, you can easily adjust the height right. But for a buggy, this ground clearance is more than enough. Radio on, and buggy has a switch inside right here. I believe this switch will get stuck later. On. Oh man, I love the steering response on these little ones. Alright, here we go. On the road. Okay. Doing very well. Steering response is awesome. Controls are really nice. Let's say if we hit the sand. Here we go for the first time. It's struggling to go. Still going around. Almost stuck. Still driving on full throttle. Still going on. Still going on. Hitting the dune. In the bowl. Using my sand driving skills that I learned in UAE. Still going on, didn't get stuck. On the dune wall, trying to scale it, almost stuck. Use the driving skills you learned. And full throttle, remember not to stop when you have an underpowered car in desert. That's what I learned. No stopping and drive like a snake. Still going on. Awesome. We did it. I have one button that says slow and normal. So this is slow. Ooh, all right. So we were in slow mode. Check it out. Hold on, let me set the steering trims. Awesome. So now I'm putting it in slow mode, which is a baby mode. And this is how it drives at full throttle. And I was saying that this is totally underpowered. Now, check it out. So now we can hit the dune walls. Yeah, baby! Now it has all the power that you have always wanted. That's a true off-wheel. That's a true off-road buggy now, man. There's no stopping it. Now it can scale the dunes very well. I was thinking, hey man, this is really lame to have this slow buggy. I didn't notice the slow and normal button. Let's bring it to that ball and big dune wall, shall we? Now it's gonna be fun to hit that dune. Yes, as I mentioned, as I said, there's no getting stuck now. Because of the sand, these spring-loaded shocks, see, they are stuck. They cannot work anymore. Ooh. So, yeah, are you watching? Are you watching high boxing? Spring-loaded will get stuck in the sand and will not open all the way. All right? Stationary, starting from 0. There it goes on normal mode. You cannot stop this little fast buggy. Yes, the shocks got stuck again, and that is why there's no ground clearance for it to actually move anymore. All right? So I have to always move it around and open up the shocks, and after that it goes again. So playing on road and some sand is fine, but as soon as you hit the bigger sand areas where it actually eats sand, it will start getting the shocks stuck. Man, it's fast and nice. I was worried that come on man, that is slow buggy. That is not what people want. Shocks are stuck again. All right, hold on. Yep. A lot of things will get stuck. See how much sand is coming out. Yeah, the radio probably turned off. Back to action. So this is the buggy, and it's doing very well. On the road, of course, it's just superb. And here we go for a stop. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, Also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.